I think on the India and AI question, I think India and China have the largest data set on the planet. And I think any AI system is going to operate on that data. We have a huge resource. We have to understand what that resource is, and we have to make sure that we benefit from that resource. It's also very easy to dissipate that resource. So we have to think carefully about data, how we are going to utilize that data, who that data belongs to in terms of individuals, state, etc. So we have to do a lot of thinking along those lines. We need to make sure that we understand the repercussions of misusing or incorrect use of that data. Today, I don't think India as a country has quite understood the wealth of its own data. We don't really understand it, right? And I worry that we will take decisions with regards to our data that will then become problems later, right? We want to make sure that India understands that this is actually the nation's wealth, the people's wealth, and it needs to be treated with care and with vision. At the same time, you can have, I'll use the Saudi Arabia example again. You can have oil, all the oil in the world, but if you don't have the internal combustion engine, it's meaningless, right? So it's not good enough just to have the data. You also need to be able to process the data. You also need to be in the game when it comes to AI and things like that allow you to monetize, allow you to use the data. So we need to have a strategy on both those things.